Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a buttercream fault line cake with sprinkles. I have made one of these before, but I remember it being really fun, so I thought I'd make another one. Let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. I pressed gold sprinkles onto the side of the cake. I forgot to put a pan under this, but I recommend putting the turntable on top of a cookie sheet or a large cake pan to catch as many stray sprinkles as possible. But to press the sprinkles on best, hold a small amount of sprinkles in the palm of your hand and press them onto the side of the cake. Then I brushed the cake board clean with a large paintbrush that I only use for baking. Then I added some black sprinkles on top of the cake. Now I'm using a piping bag without a tip to pipe on more buttercream onto the side of the cake. One line low on the cake and another line closer to the edge, leaving the middle free. I carefully smooth on the buttercream to the side. This is how the fault line effect is made. Then I piped a rope border along the edge of the cake. This 100% needs a large border. You need something to cover the edge of the cake. A rope border is made with a star tip and piped in a large C motion. Finally, I piped a simple shell border along the bottom of the cake. This is a great and relatively simple way to decorate the cake. This effect is one of those that lots of people will ask you how you did that. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.